What the hell are you?
Season. If you niggas ain't talented, I'm talented.
何人もの人がその力を次へと託してきたんだよ。みんなのためになります。
Gotta get that V trigger confirmed. You gotta be. What the fuck was that? What is this? Yes, nigga, doing? This nigga sucks. Somebody hop in my lobby and body this fat nigga ASAP. Jesus!
Quick heads up. Sorry for the sound delay.
Watch this, Lise. You can actually pinpoint the second when his heart rips in half. And now. Oh.
Damn. That Ganon sword really hit him in his feels, huh?
Just play with nothing but Shotos and Ken, nigga. You're trash. You're just looking for easy shit. That's why I got your ass banned long time ago, nigga.
Blocking people because they are better than you? What a wonderful logic you got there, Mr. Dale.
It's a grade A scrub. You can't even do a power geyser the correct way. Cause you's a fucking scrub, nigga. Can't even do a power geyser the correct way. Cause you's a fucking scrub, nigga. Bitch ass nigga. Now it's time to remove you off my list, bitch. You play Ken and Terry exactly alike. Easy mode looking for tilts with easy shit. I just wanted to give you a little taste, bitch ass nigga. Open up your mouth so I could dribble some Matrix juice down your motherfucking throat. Get the fuck off my shit, nigga.
Something wrong with this nigga, bro!
I ever see that Omega X shit my shit again, it's over. And I'm gonna remember your friend code. The fuck out of my room, nigga. You lost the opportunity. You will never be seen in my shit again. You ever want to play me again, it's gonna cost you $100. He should challenge me in Street Fighter, but he won't, because he'll lose. Next, I just played this nigga, man. Why is this nigga teabagging though?
You've gotten your ass clapped on that game so many times. Now you are looking for easy targets to look good. Wow.
Sorry ass nigga, you really thought you was gonna beat me? 2% in this bitch. Yickety!
That's enough.
I think I might be done with this little Mac shit. Can't be letting sorry ass niggas get W's off me. I don't think I'm in a smash mode, honestly. I could beat you with your own character. I bet I could pick Zelda and whoop your fucking sorry ass. Link, whatever the fuck this character's name is. Throw a lightning bolt, blah, blah, blah.
So he complains about projectiles when he plays these three characters? What do they have in common, you may ask? A fuckload of projectiles and he spams every single one of them.
Sorry ass nigga. Nigga do the same shit over and over again. You're gone. I'm not gonna sit over here and play the same nigga using the same character day in and day out every time I come to my stream. Get the fuck off my list, nigga. You're gone. I'm not adding you back either. Go do a charge back. Yeah, nigga bought packets again. I'm done. Damn, niggas just stay sabotaging my game. Like, look at this, man. Oh, damn, we back to this shit again? Damn, we was having a good time, too. Well, I guess niggas bought some more DDoS packets. Ever since I accidentally showed my Switch settings, these niggas just find a way to DDoS my shit over and over and over again. It's almost like, do I gotta buy a brand new Switch? Today is the very last day I play Street Fighter with a mic or a cam on. It's the same old fucking shit! That's my problem with this game. No matter how good you play, when somebody has a meta character, they always have the one up on you. This nigga's a garbage ass trash player, but could literally do nothing and beat me because he's playing with Cammy. That's my problem with the game. We already know you broke niggas record me on cheap shit because none of that shit is HD. Y'all niggas is using apps on phones. Y'all niggas can't even afford proper capture cards, or your shit will come out crispy clarity HD.
I know he is talking about a lot of troll channels, but I can't help but feel like he is somehow talking to me because of the recent screen recorder incident I've had. Dale, if you are somehow watching this, you dumbass. The reason channels don't come out in HD is because the quality decreases no matter what when taking a video from YouTube.
Niggas over here downloading every app. Screen recording my shit, praying for uploads. It's not happening no more. Like these niggas be stripping stream shit and running like 480p and shit. Not even 480p, that should be 360, 160, 130. And niggas be watching that shit. That's crazy. Definitely gotta blacklist this clown too. Nigga was just sitting over here trolling for no reason. Nigga, you're using a ABC 123 character. You don't gotta do shit but target combo me, get me in the corner, make me guess a 50-50. Fucking scrub ass nigga. These niggas really act like they good in Street Fighter. You're not. That's why you playing with Ken. Why am I playing a nigga in this ranking? This is a fucking joke. Nigga did EX tackle like it was invincible. It's like it's forcing me to rage quit. This is a joke. Why am I playing a nigga in platinum? They dead ass got me playing a scrub in platinum. Like, no, nigga, we are never gonna finish a game. There's no passion there. I don't even want to play nobody in platinum. The hell? Somebody give me that dude's gamer tag. That shit is a joke. You guys are coming here for rage. Like I said, you're no longer going to see it. You're not going to see me playing fighting games and raging at the screen no more. It's not happening. I keep telling you guys that. I'm flipping the script now.